Alright, here we've got my 2009 Aprilia Tuono 1000-r. Pretty good bike. I've got the Leo Vince aftermarket pipes. Let's give it a start up. It hasn't started since yesterday, so this will be a cold start. Alright. Starts good. Aftermarket levers on there. Front. Quick walk around. Good looking bike. You can see you have a few menu settings. I'll try to get it over here. I don't know if you're able to see that. Got lap timers, some diagnosis tools, languages. You can set the RPM light to go off at different times. Those lights aren't actually flashing, it's a product of the video, unfortunately. We'll let it warm up a second. Show you the tread on the tires. That's the rear. Here's the front tire. Oop. Good running bike.